If you're not about cutting your own hair, shaping your own hair, shaving your face, or whatever else, this video is not for you. I'm glad this finally showed up, because I'm tired of looking homeless. I've had these before, but let's check them out. Guard, charger, C-charger, size. The best one is the one with the bearded guy on it. Here's the button. There's the charge as far as, out of 100%. I started cutting my own hair because it saves me so much time to just do it myself. Now, if you're a beginner, say this with me. It will grow back. If you mess up, it'll grow back. It's how we get better. Clean them with alcohol first. See that? Literally like one stroke and it's already like falling off. Now check this out. Clean shave without a razor. It's not perfect, but like if you saw me, you'll probably think I had a barber do it, but nope. It's just really crispy and sharp. Let me know how it works for you if you guys end up using this, or if you already have it. For a direct link, use the link in description, or I'll also leave the link in the comment section as well.